You are not born to keep saving that expensive gloss you love for special occasions only. You deserve more than that, so much more. But let me ask you something. Have you ever had that moment, usually on a Sunday night, where you open your banking app, look at your balance, and feel that quiet, hollow punch in your chest? It's not despair, it's not a crisis. It's just that uncomfortable feeling that somehow the month went by and the needle didn't move at all. And the most confusing part, you didn't do anything wrong. You paid your bills. You worked, you showed up, but the money just disappeared, and you're still in the same place. That has a name, and it's not irresponsibility. It's the absence of a system. Hi, I'm Maya. Think of me as the older sister who gets money, the one who tells you the truth without judgment, who stays by your side while you learn, and who is never going to pretend that your problem is ordering that matcha latte in your Stanley cup with oat milk every single morning before work. This is Big Sis Finance. School never taught us anything about money, absolutely nothing that actually matters. We learned that the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. We memorized formulas we never used again. But nobody, not once, sat down with us and explained why your credit score drops after paying off a loan. Nobody told us what a real emergency fund looks like, where to keep it, how much to save, and why that changes everything. Nobody taught us the difference between earning money and building wealth. We graduated, we entered the workforce, and we started winging it with real money, with real consequences, with no manual whatsoever. And then came social media, the curated apartments, the vacations, the I just hit my first 100K posts. And that silent comparison started between your internal financial reality and what everyone else puts on display. The feeling of being behind started to weigh on you, not just financially, but in everything. That has a name too. It's called financial dysmorphia. It's when, on the outside, everything looks fine, you have a job, you get by, you're not in crisis, but on the inside, you feel like there's something everyone else figured out that you somehow missed. You didn't fail. The information just never reached you the right way. Here's what I know for certain. Income is not wealth. I've seen women earning impressive salaries living at the edge every single month. And I've seen women with modest salaries building real, lasting wealth consistently, quietly, without giving up the life they love. The difference was never how much came in. It was what happened to that money once it arrived. Wealth is a system. It's consistency. It's asking the right questions at the right time and having someone by your side who gives you the answers without the runaround. That's exactly what we're building here, together. Every week, we're going to talk about investing, wealth building, lifestyle, money mindset, and so much more. Because money touches everything, the choices you make, the ones you avoid, the kind of life you can or can't have. There is no topic this channel won't go near if it's part of your financial reality, and I want every single video to leave you with one thing that's different, a small, simple, concrete action. So this doesn't become just another video you watched, found interesting, and that changed absolutely nothing in your life. Because information without movement transforms no one. So let's start right now. Here's the first action of this channel. Tonight, not tomorrow, tonight, open your banking app, look at your balance, and write down somewhere. This number is going to change. And I know where to start. That's it. It sounds small, but it's the first move of a woman who decided to stop winging it. Oh, and before we go any further, I need to introduce someone very important here in the studio. This is Penny, my ragdoll kitten, official creative director of this channel, and the only one here who is genuinely unbothered by market volatility. She's going to show up around here often, and honestly, I think she already has more fans in people's hearts than I do. Consider her part of the team. Now, before I go, I want to ask you for one thing, and it genuinely matters to me. Leave a comment below telling me, what is your biggest struggle with money right now? It can be anything. Debt, investing, not knowing where to start, feeling like you earn well but nothing is ever left over. Fear of looking at your bank statement, anything that's been weighing on you. I will read every single comment, everyone. And I'll use those answers to build the next videos around what you actually need to hear. Remember, I'm your new big sis, and here we talk as equals. No judgment, no distant expert energy, no pretending it's easier than it is. This channel isn't mine, it's ours. Penny and I are so excited to talk with you every week. You've come too far to keep winging it with your money. You deserve to understand how things work. You deserve access to the same strategies, the same conversations, the same tools that have always existed, just not always made for us. You were made for more than saving your gloss for special occasions. Finance for the life you love. Subscribe. The first real video is coming soon. I'll see you there, sis.